Hey guys, we are at NRG at the rodeo, and today we are bringing you foods that you should try if you come to the rodeo here in Houston. Hello everybody, my name is Sammy Wynn. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we are taking you to the rodeo. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing that. We will be trying a lot of different food. So comment below and let me know what kind of carnival food is your favorite. And also subscribe if you haven't, because this channel is about adventure and fun and trying new things. We are at NRG at the rodeo, and today we are bringing you foods that you should try if you come to the rodeo here in Houston.
Are you ready for the rodeo?
I'm ready for the rodeo. Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go get you some food.
Let's go.
Okay, we're walking in.
The Houston Livestock and Rodeo Show comes to Houston annually, and it started back in 1932, so it's been around for quite some time. The Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo promotes agriculture by hosting an annual family-friendly experience. They typically start in the end of February and last for about 3 weeks.
Our first food that we're gonna try is the smoked bacon wrap, and it is from Holmes Smokehouse. So it's outside in the tent, that's where you'll find it. So she said it's like the third one, 1, 2. So there's Cantina, and then it should be like it's right there. So we are gonna go get the smoked wrap right there in
Bacon wrap sausage on the stick. That's it. Ready to eat it?
Oh, it looks like a... We have the bacon sausage wrap, and it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Hot. Mmm.
Smells good.
This sausage is good. Let me take a bite of the bacon. It's good.
Good. It's pretty good.
This item here won #1 for food on a stick. So we wanted to try it. And 1 out of 10, I would give this a good 7 or 8. And it may be because I'm very hungry. But you definitely need a side to eat with it, because it's very rich and it's really good. So my recommendation is to try this bacon wrapped pecan sausage here at the Holmes Smokehouse. It's located right near the NRG Stadium, inside one of the tents, right outside these doors. I'll show you real quick. NRG building, Smoked Homes, right there. What would you give it?
I give it a 7. 7. It's pretty good.
Okay, we're gonna go try our next food. We're looking for some food now, and we're on our next adventure to the second meal.
We are having Flamin' hot Cheetos. cheese tater tots.
So it has fried tater tots, nacho cheese, and Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos.
Okay, ready? Let's try it together. This is our first time trying this.
Ready?
Cheers. We're gonna try the unicorn float. It's a little bit cold out here. Gold Bucket Foodie, most creative. So we're gonna give it a try. This is the unicorn float for $9. It won the most creative. And then there's the mermaid float and the orange dream float. So we're getting this one. Oh my goodness. So this, my friend, this is the unicorn float. And as you can see, you have the whipped cream with all the sprinkles, and then you have this ribbon of candy topped with some wonderful cotton candy. This is blue soda. So we also have a wrapped candy for later, and then we have lifesaver gummies as well. Let's go give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna try this. So this is cotton candy. And here's my straw. Here we go. It literally is like drinking sugar. I haven't had like soda in forever. So this is gonna give me a major sugar high. I guess it's worth buying because it looks so cute and pretty. And then there's piece of candy. Oh. So this is like a little straw. You can actually suck through this candy straw. Oh, all right. Other than it's really pretty, I don't know if it's worth $9. But if you really want something really Instagrammable and it's cute to take a picture of, this is it. It is the most creative, but we killed it! It's gone!
Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions, comment below. If you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate it if you do. After all, it is free. And please, please, please comment and share this with a friend who you think you would go to the carnival with. Thanks again. Bye, y'all. This is Sammy with Life with Sammy Wynn.
moment to sing it all together. Because I think she would hear us up there, right? Late at night when